Okay, I have to finish 2 little chapters of my ebook. It's gonna be super quick. And I'm going to go to my favorite spot, Barnes & Nobles, to wrap it up, and I'm going to launch it. Okay, you guys, so it is the next morning. Oops, where is it? And I sent out my first email. So this is what it looks like. So they know they can get 10% off my ebook. And this is everything that went out. We will see if anyone actually buys the ebook today. I'm really nervous. This makes me, oh, my stomach. I just want it to do well, and I just want to help people, so we will see. Pumpkin, you sleep like you work like a real job. Like you be knocked out. But I love you though. So happy. This is the trailer for the Kardashians. Oh, the new season. This makes me so happy right now. So hopefully I'm done at 3. And I am so excited. How cute is this bag? Look at the hardware on it. I have to put my laptop in there because I don't have a bag for my laptop. That was the most impulsive thing in the world, but this is the cutest bag. Now I can put my laptop and just go. It's just cute. So cute. Always end up here, but I gotta finish a project. I'm gonna end up at Barnes & Nobles. And I think I might go outside. I think I just need 1 more solid hour, and I will be done. I'm on my final chapter right now, and we're only gonna do 11 chapters, but this is me closing out. I'm 30 minutes late than what I wanted to drop this, but it's okay. Not happening right now. Okay, hopefully it's saved. Oh, I might lose my mind right now. It did not save. So my last page just didn't save because of the internet. And thank God it was only the last page, but, well, really it's 2 pages, but how annoying is that? I just finished. It is 4:54, so I'm definitely late launching this, but I don't care because this looks so good. There's just so much info here. I'm so proud of myself for finishing this. It looks good. It's a lot of info, so you better be ready to read. And I'm so excited to drop this today. All of that, and then we get to the end, and this is my little segment, and then thank you, and y'all can hit me. Yay! So my client is rescheduled, so now I get to have a little snack because I realized I didn't eat today. It's very normal. I still have to create the link and post and maybe create a website, which is really quick. This is just copy paste. I'm not just big piece. First I'm trying my coffee cakes, let's see. She was right, it's fine. It's 6:13 and I'm trying to download it, it's just not downloading. Well, with PDF and it's turning into a zip. I'll do PNG. I'm just trying to download right now. It's taking its time. I'm seeing if this works. Oh my god, that is not. Alright, let's see. It's just going really, really slow. I think it's just a big fire. Alright, it's like halfway there. Alright, 65%, 70, 75, 80. So, oh, she's getting now. No. I'm gonna do this one more time. So it was a PDF, it was the same as a zip, and it just, we don't want it. So now I'm re-downloading it. And let's see if this one it's doing the same thing again. It's just taking a while. Maybe this is like a really good one. It's like 44 pages. Yes, it works! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, it's beautiful and it works. Make sure I put it live right now and like change the price because it's free and someone's gonna pop up. No. It's done. And it's out everything else. Like I'm just trying to go through everything and make sure everything works, and it does. And I'm just like so shocked. Like I worked so hard on this. And it's like literally in my hand. This is so fire. This is really good. I'm so proud of me. I'm so tired because I have a client in 25 minutes, but I should probably get like a slice of pizza or something, but my guide is up, you guys. It's live. Shop it.